Okay guys, as you can see, this is my YouTube channel, and let me show you before I proceed on short videos. All these videos that you are seeing here, they are not my videos, but I downloaded this video from YouTube, yet I upload it on my own channel, and I also monetize this video as well. This video is 100% monetized. Let me show you. Okay, let me go to my channel analytics, then let me go to content. As you can see here, this is the one of the video. It's 100% monetized here, and this another one is 100% monetized, and a lot of them, on my channel as well. So on this video, I will be showing you how you can actually download this video on YouTube and monetize them without any copyright issue or strike. So before I continue on this video, I would like to encourage you to hit that subscribe button, and if you're yet to follow me on my Facebook page, try to follow me as well. Goswe Hustle channel, this is it. Okay, you can let me refresh it. Let me refresh the page so you can see it very well. I will encourage you guys to follow me there. So Goswe Hustle channel, this is it. So let me go back again. So this is my own YouTube channel. You can subscribe. And before I also forget, I would like to encourage you guys to like this video right now. And if you have any question concerning YouTube, blogging, and Facebook, so feel free to ask. Leave a comment on that comment section. I will be happy to reply you. So to download all these videos, a lot of people are making mistake by downloading, going to YouTube and downloading videos, and at the end of the day, they upload it on their YouTube channel. YouTube demonetize their channel. So to download a free videos on YouTube, all you need to do is to go to a Creative Commons. So, but before I go there, I would like to let you know what Creative Commons is all about. As you can see here, this coming from YouTube about Creative Commons. License give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY. Okay, if you have marked your videos with a CC BY license, you retain your copyright. Other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. Okay, what YouTube are trying to say here is that if you put your videos under Creative Commons license, you give other creators permission to download and reuse your work. That is what I'm telling you. So I downloaded all this video from Creative Commons, but the question now is, how can you get to Creative Commons? That is what I will show you now. So to access Creative Commons, you come over to YouTube. Let me go over to YouTube. Okay, so this YouTube, all these videos that you see here is not under Creative Commons. That is a lot of mistake people are making. You download this video, at the end of the day you upload it, even though you use 3 seconds of this video on your own video, you are going to be at risk. You need to avoid it, or your channel being banned by YouTube. To access this Creative Commons on YouTube, all you need to do is to click on search, whatever topic that you want. So you type it there. Okay, let me use Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing now, you need to pay attention on this video so you will not make mistake. As you can see here, filters. You click on filters. Okay, you are going to fit all the videos. As you can see, type video, channel, playlist, film under 4 minutes. Okay, so on these features, under here you are going to see this Creative Commons. You click on it. Yeah, now any video that you see here, you are free to download them and reuse them depending on the topic that you are treating on YouTube as your own niche. So you just type it on YouTube search, and then you move over to click and filter it, and you will see Creative Commons. So all this video, I can be able to download this video and reuse them as well. But note, you reusing this video, don't ever upload this video direct to your, when you download this video, don't upload it direct to your YouTube channel, because you are going against YouTube community guideline. What I mean by that is that YouTube helped duplicate content on their platform. What this means is that this person has already uploaded this video, and you download this video straight and upload it on your YouTube channel. YouTube is going to demonetize you or give you a strike because you are duplicating the content. The content is not has already appeared on YouTube, and then you are also uploading it again. YouTube, that is going against their community guideline. All you need to do once you download it, you make a twist, re-edit it, and then you can be able to upload it on your YouTube channel. Okay, so, and I'm not going to be telling you how to download videos on YouTube. Please, you need to make a research. The number one problem that we are having is that we don't used to make a research. Okay, we prefer to pay people to buy courses online, but we are not in any shape, form, angle ready to do our own research. So I am giving you this as an lesson, or let me just say exam. You can actually go and do a research and know how you can download videos on YouTube. Because if I explain how you can download video on YouTube now, this video is going to be taken down by YouTube because YouTube don't allow that. It's going against their community guidelines. So I'm not going to be teaching you how you can actually download. Or if you want to know, you can leave a comment on that comment section. I will be glad to tell you how you can actually download video on YouTube. Please, I don't want to show you how to download video on YouTube. So if you have any question concerning YouTube, and like I said before, or Facebook, including blogging, let me show you my website, affiliatesite.info. affiliatesite.info. This is my website. So buyer's guidance. Okay, as you can see, this website is 100% monetized with Google AdSense. Look at ad displaying here. So if I go down, you can see another ad displaying here. It's monetized with Google AdSense. So if you have any question concerning blogging, because this is going to be what I'm going to be covering on this channel, Goswe Hustle channel, and also YouTube, including YouTube automation. So guys, I will prefer you guys to follow me up on Facebook and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Hit the notification bell. So this is my website. You can go and check it out. Just go to Google and type affiliatesite.info. This is my website. So for now, I'm going to end this video here. This is how I manage to get all these videos. So all these videos that you are seeing here, and they are 100% monetized. And let me show it to you again. Customize channel. Okay, open a new tab. As you can see here,